Simple and effective, how beginners can make $300 per hour with Google. If you're interested in a simple and easy method to earn money online, this Google-based approach might be exactly what you're looking for. The best part is that you don't need any specific skills or prior experience to get started. Even beginners can make up to $300 per hour by following the simple steps we'll share with you. The icing on the cake is that you can do this from anywhere in the world, giving you the freedom and flexibility to work on your own terms. If you're ready to explore a fresh approach to making money online and taking charge of your financial future, then keep reading to learn about this exciting Google-based method. But before we dive in, I want to share some important news with you. This method isn't limited to just the US or English-speaking audiences, which is fantastic. By expanding your horizons and targeting potential customers worldwide, you can significantly increase your earning potential. Consider this. There are billions of people around the world who speak different languages and have diverse needs and interests. By taking advantage of these diverse markets, you can access a much larger audience and more opportunities to make money online. Moreover, connecting with people from different cultures and backgrounds can be a truly enriching experience. So don't limit yourself to just one market or audience. Explore new possibilities and venture into the world of online business, even beyond the things and opportunities you have not tried yet. With a little bit of research and effort, you can achieve incredible things and build a successful online business that reaches people all over the globe. Now let's dive right into the step-by-step tutorial that I prepared for you today. The first step is to visit gocharlie.ai. If you're not familiar with this platform, let me provide you with more information. gocharlie.ai is an incredible platform designed to assist businesses in enhancing their online presence and achieving higher rankings in search engine results pages. Allow me to share that having a robust online presence is absolutely crucial for businesses in today's digital era. It can make all the difference between gaining new customers and losing them to your competitors. So how does gocharlie.ai work? It provides SEO-oriented content that's customized to meet the unique needs and goals of each business. This means that businesses can receive content that's optimized to attract the right visitors to their website and turn them into customers. In other words, gocharlie.ai assists businesses in creating high-quality content that's not only engaging, interesting, and informative, but also optimized to rank well in search engine results pages. As we all know, ranking higher in search engines can result in increased traffic, more leads, and ultimately more sales. The second step is to sign up for the gocharlie.ai affiliate program. However, instead of using gocharlie.ai directly, we'll act as an affiliate. As an affiliate of gocharlie.ai, you have the opportunity to earn money by promoting it to businesses that could benefit from all the benefits it offers. Simply sign up for the gocharlie.ai affiliate program, and you'll receive a unique affiliate link that you can share with potential clients. When a business signs up for gocharlie.ai using your affiliate link, you'll earn a commission for each sale. It's that simple. Not only is gocharlie.ai an excellent platform to promote as an affiliate, but it's also a valuable tool for businesses seeking to enhance their online presence. By offering high-quality, optimized content, businesses can attract more visitors to their website, establish trust with their audience, and ultimately boost their revenue. I know that affiliate marketing can be intimidating and daunting, but let me assure you that becoming one is an easy and simple process that can be completed within minutes. You don't have to spend lots of time just to become an affiliate. First, you'll need to visit the gocharlie.ai website and scroll down to the bottom of the page. There, you'll find a link that says Become an Affiliate. Click on that link. Next, you'll be taken to a page where you can learn more about the affiliate program. Everything you need to know about becoming one is here, including the benefits. Make sure to read through the information and ensure it aligns with your interests. If you're ready to succeed, click on the Sign Up Now button. This will lead you to a page where you can create your affiliate account. Fill in your personal details like your name and email address, and create a password for your account. You'll also be required to give information about your plans for or ways to promote gocharlie.ai. This may include through email marketing or using social media. Once you've provided all the necessary details, click on the Submit button. Congratulations, you're now officially a gocharlie.ai affiliate. You'll then receive an email from the gocharlie.ai team with further instructions on how to access your affiliate dashboard and keep track of your earnings. Once you're all set up as a gocharlie.ai affiliate, you can start promoting the platform to businesses and earning commissions. Your unique affiliate link is the key to tracking your referrals and ensuring you get paid for your efforts. To find your affiliate link, log into your affiliate dashboard and locate the marketing materials section. In order to copy your affiliate link, simply click on the Get Affiliate Link button. This will generate your unique link, which you can then copy and paste wherever you'd like to promote GoCharlie.ai. It's easy to share your link through various channels such as social media, email, or your website to reach potential clients and start earning commissions. The third step is to use Google Translate. Now that you're part of the GoCharlie.ai affiliate program, it's time to target potential customers. A useful tool for this is Google Translate. The great thing about this method is that you're not limited to a specific country or language. By expanding your search to different countries and languages, you can increase your chances of finding potential customers who may benefit from GoCharlie.ai services. One approach is to translate local businesses' keywords from English to Spanish or any other relevant language, depending on the target audience. This can help you identify businesses that could benefit from GoCharlie.ai's SEO-oriented content tailored to their specific needs and goals. With a broader search scope, you can uncover more opportunities and connect with potential customers who may be seeking content optimization solutions in their native language. To begin, use Google Translate to translate keywords related to local businesses from English into the language of the country you're targeting. Let's take the example of targeting gyms in Malaga, Spain. You can start by translating gym in Malaga to Spanish using Google Translate, which would be Gimnasio en Malaga. This way, you can identify relevant keywords and phrases in the local language that potential customers may be using in their searches. This can help you optimize your promotional efforts and connect with businesses in their native language. Increase your chances of attracting potential customers interested in GoCharlie.ai services. The next step is to search on Google for businesses that need help with their ranking in the search engine. After translating your keywords into Spanish, the next step is to conduct searches on Google.es, which is the Spanish version of Google. By using these translated keywords in your searches, you may find that certain Spanish-speaking businesses are not ranking well in search engine results pages, or SERPs. This can be an opportunity for you to target these businesses as potential customers for GoCharlie.ai services. By identifying businesses that are not performing well in their online presence, you can offer them solutions to improve your search engine rankings and boost your visibility to potential customers. This is a great opportunity for you to introduce GoCharlie.ai's platform to these businesses and assist them in enhancing their online presence. As an affiliate of GoCharlie.ai, you can earn a commission by referring businesses to the platform. By reaching out to these businesses and explaining how GoCharlie.ai's SEO-oriented content can help them attract more visitors to their website and convert them into customers, you can assist them in achieving their goals while also earning income through the affiliate program. It's a win-win situation for both the businesses and you as an affiliate. The fifth step is to find contact information for these businesses that aren't ranking well on Google. To contact the business owner, you can look for the contact details or email address at the bottom of their website. Once you've identified a gym in Malaga that's not ranking well in search engine results pages, you can reach out to the business owner and offer to help them improve their online presence using GoCharlie.ai's platform. You can explain to them how the platform can create high-quality optimized content that's customized to help their specific needs and goals. By reaching out to the gym owner and offering them the benefits of GoCharlie.ai, you can help them attract more customers while also earning a commission through the affiliate program. But how can you find their contact information or email address? Well, it's actually pretty simple. To find the contact details or email address of the gym owner, you can start by visiting the gym's website and scrolling all the way down to the bottom. Often you'll find their contact information located there, including an email address, phone number, or contact form that you can fill out. If the gym doesn't have their contact information readily available on their website, don't worry. You can still reach out to them through their social media pages, such as Facebook or Instagram. I believe that almost all businesses can now be reached through their social media accounts. Make use of this and start promoting your services. The last step is to use ChatGPT. I know that recently ChatGPT has been the go-to platform for many people who want to earn extra cash. I would say that it's really helpful, and for this particular side hustle, we'll also make use of ChatGPT. When crafting an email or message in Spanish to explain how GoCharlie.ai can help their business grow, it may seem intimidating at first. However, with the help of ChatGPT, we can create a message that effectively conveys the benefits of GoCharlie.ai for improving their online presence. To start, think about the key benefits of GoCharlie.ai and how they can specifically apply to the business you're targeting. For example, if you're reaching out to a gym in Malaga, you could highlight how GoCharlie.ai can create optimized content that targets local keywords and helps the business rank higher in search engine results pages. Once you have laid out everything you want to convey in your message, simply provide ChatGPT with the necessary details such as the name and email address of the business owner, and ask for an email in Spanish that explains the benefits of GoCharlie.ai and includes your affiliate link. ChatGPT will then generate a personalized email in Spanish that answers the specific needs of the business and includes a clear call to action with your affiliate link. All you'll need to do is hit send and wait for the potential customer to respond. The more businesses you get in touch with, the more people will use GoCharlie.ai with your link, which means more potential earnings. That's it. That's everything you need to know about doing this particular side hustle. Thanks for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon.